Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can remove pattern or password from your Xiaomi devices in case you forgot it. For that, first you have to power off your phone. Then press and hold power and volume up keys simultaneously. Release power key when the MI logo appear, but keep holding on to the volume up key. Until this menu comes up. Then use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. You have to select wipe data, then select wipe all data, and then confirm it with the power key and then wait for it. After few seconds, all the data on your phone will be wiped completely. Then you have to select back to main menu and then select reboot with the power key and select reboot to system again with the power key, so your phone will restart. After the restart, it will take a few minutes to load up, so you have to wait for it. Now when the phone start, tap on the arrow, move next, set up your phone, and after completing this setup you will be able to use your phone normally again, and the pattern or password that was previously set up on your phone will be removed.